Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, Remax House of Real Estate, and I'm in Airdrie today. Happy Thursday, everyone. I was just chatting with Tyler about this listing. She's been working hard getting it ready for these guys. Peter is downstairs taking photos, so that's why I'm starting upstairs today. Tyler, I can see you down there. She's standing outside the front of the house. So anyway, how's it going, everyone? I hope your summer is going well and you're going to enjoy the last bit of it. Here, I know my kids are going back to school in a week. We're going to try to get a few more things in before it's not as hot anymore. So today I'm at 1104 Hillcrest Lane in Airdrie. So it's southwest part of Airdrie. It's a great house. It's a fully developed house with a suite downstairs. So it's an illegal suite. Gotta say that. It's got just a little kitchenette though, so it's kind of tucked away. So you don't need to use it for a suite if you don't want to. But if you want to, you sure can. It's got upper laundry right here. 3 bedrooms up plus a large bonus room. Anyway, it's going to be coming on in a couple days. 1104 Hillcrest Lane. Olivia just did a little bit of staging. People live here, but we stage houses that are vacant or occupied. So we do little staging jobs all the way up to huge staging jobs. So, hey Matt, how's it going? Good to see you. I know we've been trying to get together for coffee, but it hasn't really worked yet. Soon. Okay, soon. Maybe once the kids get back into school, I will have a little more time. So anyway, Peter's still doing the photos down there. So let's just start touring. I'll give you guys the tour of the upper level. I'll stop pacing. Let's show you the upper floor. So here we are. I just came up the stairs. You come up the stairs and off to your right here is the primary suite. So I've got a really nice big king bed. A lovely kitty that's like, this is my bed, okay? I don't know the kitty's name, but hello. Hi, kitty. Oh, it's a friendly kitty. Hi, kitty. Okay, really nice, large king bed here with dressers. It's a nice sized room. We got double sinks, granite. It's built by Shane Homes. If you guys have any questions, make sure you let me know. Tyler, if you're going to join in, maybe you can tag some people. If you're a realtor watching and you have somebody looking in Airdrie, you could also tag them or share this video. We'll be happy to get you in, maybe early even. It's got a large walk-in closet, a lot of space in here. Nice shower and soaker tub. So we're in southwest Airdrie, Hillcrest. Easy to get out to Calgary here. Little makeup table. A lot of people love those. And then we have the private toilet. We've got the potty room. You need the potty room for sure. Okay, let's go down the hall here. We've got the second bedroom. I haven't looked at this yet. Okay, here we go. It's like a little craft room. They got to go in as a craft room or whatever. It's a little multi-purpose room. That's a bedroom though. And then this is the other bedroom. So nice sized bedrooms. Here's the bathroom up here. And in here is the laundry. So we've got upper laundry and a bonus room. They've got large furniture in here. It is a good sized bonus room. A little TV area. And there's Tyler. Hey Tyler, we're looking at you. Okay, I'm gonna go see how Peter's doing. What are you guys all up to today? I'm gonna try to get my family to the lake. As soon as I'm done this, we're gonna try to head out and go get a little time on the beach. Can I come down there?
Yeah, you can.
I'll do the basement. You're not quite done yet, are you?
That's okay. I'm just doing the main entrance.
Oh, okay.
You can have that area.
Okay, Peter is our Amazing photographer. He does measures and photos. He does it so great. Don't want to tell too many people though because he'll get too busy. Just kidding, Peter. Just kidding. Okay, I'm going to do the basement. So let's go down here and I will show this to you. So it's got this separate entrance down there. Okay. Let's look. Just give you a real close up of my face. You're welcome. So here we've got the back door entrance here. Oh, they have a really large dog run too, which is really cool if you have dogs. AC, central AC, okay. Now, this is a great dog run, so if you want to save your lawn, you can put the dogs in there. So there's a lot of grass left as well. Okay. So there's a little pathway down the side here. So if you did have somebody staying in this basement suite, they would come through the gate there, all the way down here, and into the basement. So it's got a separate entrance. It's a walkout. Okay. All right. So here's the living area. It's empty down here right now, obviously. Here's the living area. And I'm gonna see what else we got going on. So that could be like a family room, TV area, if it's not a suite. And then we have the bedroom. And then, oh, they have a little kitchenette. Okay, it's tucked in here with the laundry. That makes sense. They got a hot plate, a little fridge, so it's not huge. It's a well-designed little area, but it could just be a wet bar or whatever if you had company over. So it's a very functional, different multi-purpose basement. Laundry there, storage. Oh man, my brain's a bit crazy today. Other bathroom in the basement. Okay, so it's fully developed walkout, about just over 1,800 square feet. Tyler, hey. It's okay, you missed it. I was just talking about you. Don't worry. You have to go back and listen now to what I said. Here's the mechanical room, nice big hot water tank there. I forget when this was built. Can you tell me, Tyler? Storage under the stairs. Okay. Thanks for tagging the peoples. Okay, back upstairs. I'm going to show you the main level now. It's a great kitchen. So, Plush did a little bit of staging here. It's a really nice patio. Great size family room. And walk-through pantry right here. Right there. Lots of pot and pan drawers. Both sides, which we know is important. Really nice patio back there. Okay. What do you guys think? What do you think? The dogs can go out the garage side door. Ah, good to know. Okay, for that huge dog run I showed you, they can go out the garage door. So you don't have to go all the way down to the bottom. They've rented it out many times, Tyler says. Could be an extra storage area if you don't want that kitchenette. You could put like all your extra stuff in there because it's got the cupboards, right? Okay, so here's the garage that goes to the walk-through pantry. So a nice layout, and there's a door here to close the mudroom area, kind of. Then here's the garage with the side man door. And it's all painted. It's got high ceilings. It looks great. It's a great house. It's a really good house. I have not seen it until today. So if you want to see it, it's 1104 Hillcrest Lane. There's also a powder room right there on the main floor, powder room. Okay, so if you want to see it, you can message us. We'll for sure get you in. Message your realtor. Get them to contact us if you're looking for something good price. Maybe an income opportunity in the lower level with a separate entrance, so it's fully separate with laundry and everything down there. Yes, the garage has tall ceilings too, so really good AC. Fully developed home in a great location. 2014 built. Okay, so the price is $634,900 for this beautiful home. So if you want to get in to see it, just let us know. We'd be happy to show it to you. Everybody, hope you have a great Thursday. Wish me luck taking, I think, like 6 kids to the beach. I don't know who's all coming, but we're doing it today. Okay, bye everybody. Thanks for watching.